Alright, we're here in San Francisco and are making our way to the San Francisco Botanical Garden to check out Lightscape. See you there. Found the best place to park, and it's over in the parking lot below Cal Academy. Orange parking lot. It's great. If you're in the city, you just park and go. So just go. And here we are making our way through Lightscape at the San Francisco Botanical Gardens. It really felt super magical, and each section of the San Francisco Botanical Gardens, it had different themes, and some places it felt very serene, very relaxing, very meditative. It felt like we're at times at a symphony hall, but at other times I felt like I was in a rave and I just wanted to get up and dance. My family and I, we had so much fun.
It's like walking to and back.
Oh, digging the vibes over here. Then on to the next section, but I think I'm gonna wrap it up. A lot of exciting things to do at Lightscape. If you get a chance, check it out. Peace. But overall, it was a magical night, and I would definitely go here again. There's a lot of good treats for the holidays and yummy foods, and there's something for everyone to look forward to. All right. Well, if you ever make your way to Lightscape, let me know how it is. I'll talk to you later. Have a good night.